So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off with no makeup, something different. So I'm going to be doing my full coverage everyday makeup. I don't do this makeup every day because one, that's a waste of product, and two, you need to let the skin breathe.
The skin needs to breathe, right?
Yeah. Well, does it though?
I don't really believe in that saying because personally I feel like I get more spots when I don't wear makeup. I feel like makeup is like a shield against all the pollution in the world. So it's 1:08 now. And I'm gonna come back in 12 hours to show you guys how this makeup keeps up. I'll try to not vlog, but I probably will because of the video. I'm not gonna be putting out promises that I can't keep. I'm not a man.
Who hurt you?
So what I've done already on my face is moisturize, and I've used my serum. I really don't believe in primer. I really feel like it's a fad. Honestly and truly, you guys are just wasting your money. All you need is a good foundation, a good powder, and you're good to go. So I moisturize with Cetaphil. The serum that I use is the Mineral 89. I almost forgot to put on my illuminator, so I used the Huda Beauty Face and Body Nymph Highlighter. The Nymph Highlighter is transferable, so if you are going to wear it on your body, make sure like your clothes don't rub it off. You know what I mean? I like to apply the highlighter mainly on my cheeks and my forehead. Right, so I'm going to use the Born This Way foundation. This is in Cocoa. I prefer to use this when I'm doing a full coverage everyday makeup because it is actually very thin. So I'm going to apply that foundation with a beauty blender. Just like to do a couple dots in my face. Right now it does look a tad bit orange, but after it oxidizes it does get a bit darker. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in 12. I do only put a little bit on my face because this is a little bit too light for me. With the concealer, I like to blend the outside first, then I blend the inner corner. I like that bit to be super bright, so I'm just going to go around the edges with my beauty blender that I used for my foundation just to blend this out a bit because it's looking a bit crazy. Do I want a cream contour? I don't know. On a regular day, I actually wouldn't cream contour, but I feel in the mood to cream contour, so I'm going to pick up the Colourpop contour in dark 58. I do have another darker cream contour that I do use sometimes, but I'm not going out, so there's no point. Am I blind? Did I not bring out my powder either? So I'm mixing up two powders today to set highlighted areas on my face. So I'm using my RCMA powder, the white one, and my Laura brightening powder. Apply a little bit of that brightening powder in the inner corners of my eye. Look how bright that made it. So I'm just going to powder the rest of my face with the mineralized skin finish in Deep. So I'm going to bronze up my face with Mocha Maimi from Fenty Beauty. Contour my nose, but I'm also going to take it into my brows. And then I'm also going to put the same bronzer into my crease. I like leaving the lid empty. That makes it look very soft, glamish. Apply some mascara. I don't always wear lashes with this look. There isn't really a need, but the lashes I am going to wear today are Demi Wispies from Ardell. When I'm not really wearing eyeshadow and like a lot of stuff. The blush that I always go for is like a pinky blush. Yeah, so I'm just popping on Flushed from Sleek. So I'm putting on quite a bit. I'm just popping on my overall highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I will show it to you guys, but it's cracked and I don't want it to pour all over the floor because that shit was expensive. So I'm just setting my brows in place. The Benefit 24-hour brow gel in Clear. I like to brush the hairs up at the front to make it look like I have more hair than I do. My lips are dry. I normally use bonding glue to stick down my lashes. Don't judge me. But I just realised that I ran out and I had to use some eyelure glue that I had. Eyelure. However you say it. I had to use that glue. Oh my gosh, I'm going to show somebody. Why isn't it sticking down? My lashes aren't sticking down and I'm this close to crying. I'm probably gonna rip these off right after I finish filming because I look crazy. I look mad. Just like my lips, I like to overline my Cupid's bow to make it look pouty. So I'm using this Colourpop lipstick in Cinnamon. So on top of that, I'm going to be using Fudged, also by Colourpop. It's a lip gloss. Don't know why I was trying to say lipstick. Ugh, this lip gloss is so pretty. This is a transparent base, but I feel like it's not transparent, like you can still see it. So to fix that, I do put some bronzing powder in my hairline. So what I was trying to do with my hair wasn't really working, so I just swooped it over to one side. Half of it's dry, half of it's wet. I realised when I finished that I need to start the time from when I finished the makeup and not when I started it, because I said the time when I did start it, so I need to backtrack that. So it's 2:10 right now, so I'm going to come back at 2 AM to show you guys how long this makeup lasts. Yeah, I don't know what else to say except I'll be back. I'll probably be wearing a different outfit. Maybe the hair might be tied back because it's going to be 2 in the morning. So, deuces. Alright guys, so I'm back to do an update. Currently it is 12:27. I'm wrapping this up 2 hours earlier, mainly because I want to wash my face and put on a face mask, get this off my face. So what's really going to happen in 2 hours? Not much. As soon as I ended the last part of the video, I took off those lashes because I put them on like somebody that has no home training. Like literally, I don't know why I put them on like that. And obviously when I ate, my lipstick went, so I just applied some lip gloss. Didn't touch up anywhere. I only touched up my nose a couple hours ago. But really and truly, this is it basically after 12 hours. And as you can see, it is still like intact. I'm just a little bit shiny on my forehead and on my chin. Underneath my eyes, it's still really like matte. So yeah, that's the video. This is my makeup after 12 hours. So as you can see, my makeup is 12 hours proof. I was trying so hard to stay up. Watching a Netflix documentary that just came out, The Confessions of a Killer. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get nightmares from it. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed the little experiment I've done for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I have a new upload. Bye guys.